Okay, attention men and women with shoulder pain. Do you have pain with any of the following activities? Reaching overhead, reaching into the back seat to get something out of the car, reaching behind your back, or even out to the side. How about while you're sleeping on your shoulder at night? If you answered yes to any of the questions above, you surely know that shoulder pain can be a menace. It can ruin a good night's sleep, and when you lack sleep, you get cranky. It can change the way you put on your shirt, or for the ladies, even your bras, because it's just way too painful to do it the way that you used to. It can stop you from enjoying simple tasks, making you frustrated, forcing you to take more pain pills than you even care to admit. It can even affect the way that you work out, or even for the golfers out there, it can ruin your game, getting you scores that you're too embarrassed to even tell about. Your friends might even wonder why you're even out there playing. So stay tuned the rest of this week to find a little bit more about how you can notice if you have a rotator cuff tear and what you can do to actually get it better. Stay tuned.